Welcome to Audrey channel, and today we're gonna open more Shopkins eggs. So let's open it. Is it the cuts are on the? Why do I see always on these eggs? There's always a cut on it. Yeah.
Some people help you.
No.
Some people help you to be prepared.
Thank you, because I do not know how to open these. What are you doing with your phone? And now, duplicate for another purple egghead. No, I hate duplicates. They make me cry. Hey, cameraman! Look. Got two.
Yeah, duplicate. You can give it to somebody.
Duplicate. And we got another duplicate. Maybe the egg's the same thing. There's two duplicates now.
Now you can give it to your friends or...
Another cherry pie.
Yeah, you can give it to somebody.
Look at this cherry pie.
Yeah, leave a message in the comment and we may give it to you, right?
No, leave a comment down below.
Yeah. Some red duplicates. You like duplicates?
Yeah. No. Why is there always duplicates? I hate it when it's like that. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram.